Good morning everybody. Today is in-house training on date 4 October 2023. My topic is ICT concept tools, conducted by Avinash myself. And this is the always know that the basics, pictures, computers, CPU, mouse and keyboards. What is computers? First question is what is computers? Computer is an electronic device. Everybody know that the computer is an electronic device. It can store large amount of data. Can perform operation on data. Performing given function on the data and display the result output. Process data whenever needed. No prompt to compute. It means that computer is an electronic device. Computer is the always other definition is computer is the combination of hardware and software which give us data into information. What is process? Computer work on data as a program is called process. Processing means operations like calculations, logical decision making, outputting data, communicating with other computer, etc. Always say that the computer perform arithmetic operations, logical operations, comparisons, etc. And next topic is characteristics of a computer. First is speed, second arithmetical and logical operations, third accuracy, reliability, storage, retrieving data and program, automation, versatility means flexible, consistency and communications. These are the characteristics of a computers. And next is applications of computers. Means कंप्यूटर का यूज कहाँ है, उसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है. फर्स्ट साइंस रिसर्च. Computers are used in science research, in education fields, schools, colleges. Business applications. Computer is used to make a business applications, commercial. Next is banking. Office automation, desktop publishing, otherwise GDP, management aids, engineering designs, road traffic control, railway medicines, information services. And what is internet? Anybody know that the formula of internet stands for international network. Interconnection of many computers via network. Global connected through network. Internet is connected through network. Many types of networks, LAN, WAN, PAN. To provide the various application services, that is email, Usenet means news, www, telnet, FTP, FTP full forms means file transfer protocols, and etc. And next topic is uses of internet. It is used in searching anything, and the search engine famous name is Google. Email services, commercial services, electronic books and publications, video conferencing, sharing data and result quickly, retrieving file and program of all types, find information, database and tutorials, newspapers columns, banking, downloading, uploading any information, news, sports, stock, music, etc. And uses of internet in various fields like education, business, governance, etc. and many more. Uses of internet and many more. Internet as ICT tools. Internet as ICT tools. And what is the ICT? ICT, Information and Communications Technology Tools. What is ICT? During last decade of 20th century, there was extraordinary development in information and communication technology, means ICT, which lead to transmutation of process and practices in almost all aspects of human activities. Information and communication technologies, ICT, are the technology used in conveying, manipulation and storage of data by electronic means. Information and communication technologies. Information. What is information? Information is the data that has been stored and arranged in a computer. It consists of organized facts and opinion people receive during daily life. Changing data into information is called data processing or information processing. It involves gathering, organizing, reporting data, so it is useful to people. It is often done using information technologies. ICT tools. Many types of ICT tools available: radio, televisions, video, DVD, telephone, otherwise fixed line or mobiles, satellite systems, computer and network hardware and software. Equipment and services associated with this technology, such as video conferencing, electronic mails and blogs. Information and communication technologies. People often use the terms information and communication together. These terms are related, but each means something different. Two words we need to know to understand: communication technology and data. Communication technology are data and information. These two words, data, include individual facts, statistics, numerical data and ideas. Data includes individual facts, statistics, numerical data and ideas. These facts and ideas are not sorted or arranged in any manner. And next topic is, what is communications? Communications is simply the act of transferring information from one place to another. In other words, communications to transfer data one place to another. Exchange information from computer to another computer. That's also communications. The classic communication system is made up of an information sources, an encoder, a transmitter, a receiver, a decoder, a storage, retrieval and an information destination. Last part is information destination. Synchronous communications. Just like online chat. Online chats are three types: text chat, audio chat, video. Text based chat, audio based chat, video based chat. And next is mobile technology. Mobile technology, conferencing, mobile conferencing with mobile phone. And last is satellite, television channel, video conferencing or synchronous communications. Discussion forums, blogs. Everybody know that the blogs. Blog. What is blog? Blog is referred to online journal entries E-groups. Wikipedia. Wikipedia is the biggest knowledge base. Google. Everybody familiar with the Google's. Google is the biggest search engine. Mobile, SMS, MMS, and podcasting. The scope of internet as a ICT. Education, research, communications, leisure and entertainment, exploring the world, finance, shopping, and many more. The scope of internet as an ICT in education. ICT as a tool to innovate teaching learning practice via internet. Means internet, digital contents, multimedia, teaching learning method, learning environments. ICT as an administrative tools, education management, information systems. ICT as an expanding learning opportunity. ICT as a expanding learning opportunity means distance learning, e-learning, electronics learning, learning from the internet. ICT as a facilitator of higher order thinking skills, learner-centered, self-directed learning, tailored learning. Traditional versus internet-based ICT education approaches. First, traditional classroom and ICT in education. Means traditional just like जैसे हम लोग फिजिकली क्लासरूम में जाके क्लास अटेंड करते हैं उसको ट्रेडिशनल क्लास बोलते हैं और आईसीटी इन एजुकेशन मीन्स ऑनलाइन टीचिंग एनीवेयर क्लासरूम फिजिकल लिमिटेड सीट्स सैकड़ोंस आईसीटी इन एजुकेशन अनलिमिटेड सीट्स एनी टाइम एनीवेयर क्लासरूम्स में हम लोग फिजिकली जाते हैं पढ़ने के लिए उसमें लिमिटेड सीट्स होते हैं जहाँ बैठने की कैपेसिटी होती है और आईसीटी में क्या है कोई सीट्स नहीं अनलिमिटेड एनीवेयर एनी टाइम्स कंटेंट पावर पॉइंट ट्रांसपेरेंसी ईटीसी टेक्स्ट बुक्स लाइब्रेरी वीडियो in ICT education multimedia simulations digital library on demand cycles and cycles communications personalizations one learning path in classroom one learning path but in ICT education learning path and is determined by learner but in ICT education learning path and is determined by learner. Psychology of using teaching aids which include ICTs. Here is an effective saying I hear, I forgot. Verbal description only are not enough for learner to remember and understand. Visualization of object especially in science and technology is important. I see, I remember. Knowledge that is gained through the sight is more colorful, accurate and permanent. It is said that 80% of our knowledge is gained through our eye. ICT can help learning, developing understands. Speed and automatic function of ICT can enable teachers to demonstrate, explore or explain aspects of their teachings and student learning more effectively easy. Use of spreadsheets to perform calculation in order that pattern can be concentrated on rather than the calculating. ICT can help learning. Extend access to sources. The capacity and range of ICT can enable teachers and students to gain access to historical, recent or immediate information through For example, accessing information on CD-ROM or the internet. Enhance inquiry skills. Search for and compare information from different sources. Search for and compare information from different sources. ICTs can help in learning. Enhance the communication of idea. Communication with other people locally or over distance easily and effectively. Present information in ways which are accessible in different forms for different audiences. The next is see the videos. Next, computer hardware. See the videos.
Welcome to Exploring My Computer channel. Watch videos on Welcome to Exploring My Computer channel. Watch videos on computer and solutions. Please stay connected by subscribing the channel for better informative videos.
Computer is a high-speed electronic computing and data processing device which takes inputs, processes it and produces the output accordingly. It also stores information in memory. This diagram shows basic operation flow on computer, that is input, processing and output. Common characteristics of a computer. Computer understands machine language that can't be understandable by human. Computer recognizes values in the forms of zeros or ones. Accuracy, repetitive tasks and tirelessness work. Computer hardware is physical components of a computer system. It is abbreviated as computer HW or HW. In short, computer parts which can physically touch. 4 categories. Input devices for raw data input. Processing devices to process raw data instructions into information. Output devices to disseminate data and information. Storage devices for data and information retention. Input devices. Keyboard. It is the most popular and commonly used input device. It is just like a typewriter with additional keys for special purposes. Typing keys. Alphabet keys A to Z and number keys 0 to 9. Function keys. 12 function keys used for specific purposes. Control keys. These are cursor and screen control keys. Example, arrow keys. Page up, page down, control, alternate, escape, home, end, insert, and delete. Operator and special character keys. Special purpose keys. Enter, backspace, numlock, caps lock, shift, space bar, tab, scroll lock, sleep, and print screen. Numeric keypad, quick and easy reference keys, numbers, arrow keys, operator keys, etc. Mouse, popular pointing, selection and cursor control device. Microphone. It is used to recording sound, then stored in a digital form, mainly used in multimedia works. Joystick is also a pointing device, which is used to move the cursor position on a screen. It is mainly used in games. Light pen is a pointing device similar to a pen, used to select a menu item or draw pictures on the screen. Scanner. It works like a photocopy or Xerox machine. It transfers information available on paper into digital format and stores it in computer memory. Barcode reader. It is used for reading barcoded data in the form of light and dark lines. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling items, numbering the books, etc. Optical character reader, OCR. It is used to scan printed text optically and converts them into readable text and store it in a computer memory. Magnetic ink card reader, MICR. MICR is used in banks, where to read bank's code number and check number are printed on the checks with a special type of ink. Optical mark reader, OMR. It is an optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. It is specially used for checking the answer sheets of examinations having multiple choice questions. Monitor. The most common computer output device, just like TV. It comes in various sizes and resolutions. Monitor resolution. It describes the visual dimensions of any given display, expressed in terms of width and height. Monitor resolution is comprised of a specific number of pixels. CRT, cathode ray tube. This uses phosphorescent dots to generate the pixels that constitute displayed images. Bulk in size and weight. Flat panel screen. This makes use of liquid crystals or plasma to produce output. Light is passed through the liquid crystals in order to generate pixels. LCD, liquid crystal display. LED, light emitting diodes. Printer generates a hard copy of documents and photographs, typically on a paper. Impact printers works by direct contact of an ink ribbon with paper. Non-impact printer uses laser, xerographic, electrostatic, chemical and inkjet technologies. Headset is a combination of speakers and microphone. It is mostly used by gamers, video conference, online meeting, etc. Speakers are to facilitate the output of digital sound. Projector device projects a computer-created image onto another surface, usually whiteboard or wall. It is most widely used for presentations or for viewing videos. Plot device generates a hard copy of a digitally depicted design. It is generally used in architect or engineering applications. Motherboard is the most essential part of a computer system. It connects all the parts of a computer together, both internal and external components of the computer using various slots and ports. Microprocessor, Central Processing Unit, CPU. Microprocessor, heart of the computer, is an electronic component that controls all functions of the computer system. It is located inside the computer placed on the motherboard. It is a single integrated chip, IC, containing billions of very small components including transistors, resistors and diodes that work together. The microprocessor functions as an artificial brain. All the arithmetical and logical functions are done by it. Random access memory. RAM is a computer's primary memory. It is a very fast solid-state storage medium that is directly accessible by the CPU. Any open programs or files on a computer are temporarily stored in RAM while being used. Being volatile, any data stored in RAM will be lost when power is lost. Read-only memory. ROM is a type of primary storage medium that permanently stores data on PCs and other electronic devices. It contains the programming needed to start a PC, which is essential for boot up. It performs major input/output tasks and holds programs or software instructions. It is part of the BIOS chip, which is located on PC's motherboard. Hard disk drives are non-volatile magnetic secondary storage devices capable of remembering vast amounts of data in gigabytes or terabytes. Two types, internal and external. Uses desktop PCs, laptops, TV and satellite recorders, servers and mainframes. Solid-state drive. SSD is non-volatile secondary storage device capable of holding large amounts of data. It uses flash memories, millions of transistors wired in a series on a circuit board, giving it the advantage of having no mechanical moving parts and therefore faster transfer of data than hard disk drives. It is more expensive. Uses high-end PCs, laptops, smartphones, tablets, etc. Flash storage devices. These are non-volatile solid-state secondary storage devices which use linked flash memories to store data, millions of transistors. Pen drive, used in computers. Memory cards, used in digital cameras, mobile phones, tablets, etc. Flash storage devices are portable and comes in a variety of